When your fire protection design demands higher density at lower pressures, Viking's ELO intermediate in-rack sprinklers deliver powerful performance with efficiency. With a larger K-factor, ELO in-rack sprinklers allow for lower system pressures compared to standard in-rack sprinklers, ideal for demanding storage applications. The Viking ELO Guard and Shield combo protects both upright and pendant models from mechanical damage while shielding against water discharge from the sprinklers above. One installation method is installing the upright sprinkler with the pre-assembled Guard and Shield. When using InstaSeal, no thread tape or sealant is required. Another installation method is demonstrated with the pendant model, installing the sprinkler using a standard wrench. The water shield is added to the sprinkler during installation. Once the sprinkler and water shield are installed, the guard is attached with a single screw. Built for durability, pressure efficiency, and dependable coverage, Viking's ELO intermediate in-rack sprinklers are engineered to meet the toughest storage challenges. Learn more at supplynet.com or contact your local Viking SupplyNet rep for details.